Embarking on a journey across the world's oceans, the San Antonio-class ships are a testament to American naval might, with 11 vessels already in service and 2 more poised to join. The USS New York, or LPD-21, a key member of this fleet, carries a unique legacy. Its very frame includes steel from the World Trade Center. This meaningful incorporation, though only 7.5 short tons, transforms the ship into a floating monument, a powerful reminder of resilience and the enduring spirit of unity that emerged from one of the nation's darkest hours. The San Antonio class represents a key element of the United States Navy's ability to project power and maintain a global presence. Towering over churning waves, the San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock, or landing platform Dock LPD, isn't just a colossal ship. It's a force multiplier, a logistical powerhouse, and a symbol of American maritime might. These advanced warships are a testament to modern naval engineering, combining vast capacity and advanced technology. In terms of size and displacement, the San Antonio-class LPDs are impressive. Each ship spans approximately 684 feet in length, with a beam of 105 feet, making them sizable platforms for a wide range of missions. They displace roughly 25,000 tons when fully loaded, which is indicative of their substantial carrying capacity and the robustness of their design. The sheer size of these vessels allows them to conduct complex operations ranging from amphibious assaults to humanitarian aid. That's San Antonio in all its glory, carving through the ocean at a respectable 21 knots, its 105-foot beam leaving a wake as wide as a city street. This speed is facilitated by 4 turbocharged diesel engines, which drive 2 shafts. The range of these ships is equally impressive, capable of covering approximately 9,500 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 18 knots. This allows them to deploy and sustain operations across the globe without the constant need for resupply. Its heart beats with a potent dual rhythm. 2 LM2500-plus gas turbines roar alongside 2 Colt peel-stick diesel engines, churning the sea and propelling this behemoth across the globe. But the San Antonio is much more than just engines and steel. The flight deck is capable of handling a variety of aircraft, including the MV-22 Osprey tilt-rotor aircraft, CH-53E Super Stallion helicopters, and UH-1Y Venom helicopters, which further extend the ship's reach and capabilities. The internal configuration of these ships is designed for versatility and efficiency. They can carry up to 800 Marines, along with their associated equipment, vehicles, and supplies. The expansive 676-foot well deck of a San Antonio-class LPD can accommodate landing craft such as the LCAC, or Landing Craft Air Cushion, or traditional landing craft to facilitate the movement of troops and equipment to shore. Below decks, almost 20,000 square feet of cargo space swallow supplies and equipment, ensuring logistical support for even the most extended missions. The class is fitted with the Integrated Ship Self-Defense System, or SSDS. The system fuses the radars and other sensors and controls the weapons systems for an automated fast reaction capability against air threats. 2 Mark 46 30mm guns and a bristling array of .50 caliber machine guns stand guard, while rolling airframe missile launchers and electronic warfare countermeasures provide a layered defense against aerial threats. Beyond the impressive features lies the true strength of the San Antonio. its versatility. It can morph from a war machine into a humanitarian haven within hours, its well deck becoming a launch pad for aid deliveries instead of amphibious assaults. This adaptability makes it an invaluable asset in the ever-changing landscape of modern warfare and international crises. The vessels are equipped to serve as retrieval ships for space capsules, featuring a well deck at the rear that can be flooded, allowing a capsule to be floated into it. Notably, the USS Portland played this role for the Orion capsule from the unmanned Artemis I mission that orbited the Moon, successfully recovering it on December the 11th, 2022.